Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are welcome. If you are new here, you are welcome. This is where we do lovely recipes. Okay, so today we are doing chicken light soup. Okay, it is amazing. In Ghana we do a lot of chicken soup because it's lovely. You can eat it with anything at all and it's lovely. So just come along with me. Okay, what I have my spices, but before I show you my spices, I just want to show you the chicken. Okay, so this is the chicken. I've cleaned it nicely. As you can see, I've taken the skin off. This is called hard chicken. Okay, it's the hen. Just want to show you that is the hen. Okay, so it's quite hard, and the reason why we use hard chicken because it can absorb a lot of flavors. Okay, so that is why we use the hard chicken. It takes a bit of time to cook, and I tell you, you have to try this recipe. It's lovely and it's very good for this winter season, I tell you. So just come along with me. So guys, in order to spice the chicken, okay, nicely, you have some onion. Okay, it's a large onion. I have some ginger, I have some fresh rosemary, and I have some garlic. Also I have some dry spice here. I have some black pepper. I have also some aniseed, and also I have thyme and cloves, and I have lemongrass. Guys, let's do this. Okay, just come along with me. So what I'm going to do is to cut this into small pieces because I'm going to blend it and then put it onto the chicken for it to cook a bit. So guys, rinse the blender and then just pour the water in. And just put it at a high heat, and I'm going to cover it for it to just cook. But before that, I want to add some tomato puree. Okay, so I'll cover it and allow it to cook. I want the chicken to absorb the flavors just for about 30 minutes. So guys, while our chicken is just cooking nicely, just look at this. Okay, it smells amazing. So while it is just cooking nicely, what I want to do, okay, is to just make a broth for the soup. This is where I put a lot of vegetables in it. I do hide a lot of vegetables in for the kids. Okay, most of my stews, because sometimes some of them they don't really like it, but I just blend it into it. Okay, so what I have here, I have some water in a pan. So I am going to put one whole onion in there. Okay, I have just 2 sticks of spring onions, and I have some carrots. I'll put that in. Because I'm doing a lot of soup, because it's 3 chicken that I'm using for the soup, so it's a lot of soup, I'm adding some tomatoes in there. I'm going to blend all of these. I want it to boil it a bit, and then I'll blend all of these into the soup. And the last thing I need to add, I'm adding just a little bit of some peppers into there. Okay, so I'll just cover it and allow it to boil, and then I'll blend it and put it into the soup. Right guys, so as you can see here, our soup is cooking nicely. Okay, just look at that. smells amazing. And as you can see, really the chicken is nicely spiced. So I'm going to add my broth of veggies. I've put bay leaf in there off camera, so yeah, you need bay leaf for your chicken soup. Just want to sieve it nicely into the soup. If you want it very thick, you can just pour it in. So guys, this is our light soup. I'll allow it to I'll cover it for it to cook just for about 20 minutes, and yeah, our soup will be done. It smells amazing. Right guys, so it's been 20 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to add some Scotch bonnet, and then I'm going to lower it for it to simmer just for about a few minutes. Let's say about another 20 minutes, and then our soup will be done. Right guys, our soup is done. I just want to add a little bit of basil. Just look at that. Smells amazing. It's really a lovely light soup. Very flavorful, guys. So guys, this is our soup, okay? It's a lovely flavorful warm soup that you can have during this winter. All right, and it's really delicious. You can have it any weather at all because it's so good. We normally have it with fufu. I don't have fufu. I'm not having it with fufu today. I'm having it with rice. You can have it with rice, with yam, with anything of your choice because it's absolutely delicious, guys. So if you like this recipe, do give me a thumbs up, okay? And do subscribe to my channel. Put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching, and may God richly bless you. Bye.